you want to tell us what you want to be in the future?
I want to be my own job. I mean, I want to be successful for my education, and I want to be speak a native speaker like you. But it's so hard.
You are really young, right? I think you are 18. Am I right?
No, I am 20 years old.
20. Okay. Sometimes we want things very fast because of technology. We are used to everything being very fast and we get whatever we want. But language is different. You have to work a little harder and you have to be more patient.
Yes, I am agree with you. I know I need to more practice for this, but in my country, maybe because of me, I don't know. I don't have more change for talking someone in English.
Yes, that
That
is a problem we need to solve.
that's why I am here to talk to you.
Nice. And I think you have to fight. You have to fight because if you don't fight and try and push yourself to get on the app and find someone to talk to, then you're going to lose that skill. If you don't use it, you'll lose it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?